going to show you guys how to make bantu knots on your hair, your short hair. So stay tuned and let's get into the video.
She's on fire. Oh, she's on fire. Oh, she's Delilah. Oh, she's Delilah.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so like you already know by the title, I'm showing you how to make bantu knots on your short hair today. So yeah, you can see my hair. I'm just combing it out and I'm trying to get like a very neat part. So I'm just trying to comb the hair and pat it down the middle. So you can choose to do whatever style you want. I chose to do center pattern. Yeah, so you're gonna pat it down the middle. Yo, can you see how straight this is? Like, no. Get your pattern game down. Yeah. Anywho, you're gonna apply gel on your hair. I did this because I did not have any hairpins, so I just used gel to make it stay so I don't have any flyaways. Yeah, so you're gonna pat your hair in or whatever style you choose. I wasn't really going for a specific style, so I was just patting it however it turns out. Yeah, so you're gonna comb your hair out, make sure it's not tangled and all. You're gonna detangle your hair, apply gel on your hair. Yeah, and you're gonna apply your favorite hair moisturizer. I am applying my Cantu. You all know I love Cantu. Yeah, so it's my go-to for my hair. It makes my hair so soft. So you can see me trying to remove my baby hair because yeah, I still want to like slay with them edges. Yo, can you see my skin? Like how my skin is glowing? Yeah, if you haven't watched my DIY turmeric video, yeah, you need to go and watch that video. You need to know how to make the body scrub that makes my skin glow every day. So yeah, go and watch the video. Yeah, so back to what we're doing. I use thread because my hair is still very short and I didn't want to use any braiding hair, so I used thread because that was what I had at home to just hold it to make it tight and firm. Yeah, you can use elastic bands if you don't want to use braiding hair like me, and if you don't want to use thread, because using this thread was kind of tedious because I had to like tuck in the thread so that it doesn't show. Sometimes I had to like trim it out and all. So if you have rubber bands, you can use that. Yeah, so you're just going to, yeah, you can see how I'm doing it. You're going to just turn it around. I really don't know how to explain this, but I hope you understand. Yeah. So you're going to do that and you're going to make sure that it's neat and not too tight. So try to make it not too tight. It should be a little bit loose. Yeah, so just like that and boom. Yeah, so easy. So this is me showing you how to do another one. Yeah, so you're gonna comb your hair out just like the other time. Apply some moisturizer on your hair to soften your hair, and you apply your gel on your hair. Use your thread or whatever you have. You can use braiding hair, you can use elastic bands, you can use whatever you choose to use. So yeah, you're gonna twist it and turn it around your hair. Try to not make it too tight, like I said before. Yeah, just like that, and yeah, you have it. So guys, this is the finished look, and I got all pretty and all. Yeah, so it's very nice and lovely. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.